Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create this animation in Procreate. Let's get started. First of all, create a canvas of 2000 by 2000 pixels. Once done, hit on create. And now for the background color, I'm choosing a dark blue color. And for our lettering, I'll be going with pink. So the brush that I'm using is Monoline under Calligraphy. These are the changes that I've made to the brush. First of all, under properties, I've increased the maximum size to 85%. And in the stroke path I have increased the streamline to maximum. Once done, you can adjust your brush size and start writing your letters. So I'll be writing the word sweet first because I wanted to write it in a cursive manner, and accordingly adjust the home part of this quote. So I'm not very happy with my sweet lettering, but I'll just first of all write home and then show you how I usually go about it. And also I'm writing all these words in different layers, so I recommend that you do the same. So once this is done, then you go to the home layer and turn off the snapping, and just adjust your home as you would like it. And once it's done, then go to the sweet layer, lower the opacity, and create a new layer on top of it, and increase your brush size, and then start lighting sweet again. Because I was not very happy, that's why I'm writing it. You don't have to if you are happy with the way you have written. And then we can go to that original layer and delete it. And then you can just turn on your snapping and make sure that it is properly aligned. And once it's done, then you can group these two home letters and bring it to the bottom. So I'm also renaming the layers from to home and sweet, so that it's easy for you to see what I'm doing. Now it's time for us to start building on our animation. First of all, create a new layer. Choose I'm choosing white here, but feel free to choose yellow or light blue or any other color that you would like for this highlighted part. And create an oval in the middle. Adjust it, and then fill it with the color, with the white color. Once this is done, group this layer and sweet together. Once it's grouped, create 4 more copies. So basically in total it should be 5 groups, because I'll be shifting 2 groups to the right and 2 groups to the left and one in the middle. So I'll quickly rename all these groups so that it's easy for you to understand. Now go to the group 1. Move your layer as shown in the screen. And your fourth group to the right. Once done, turn on the animation assist and then go to the home group and just turn on it as a background. Now go to the first group and go to the white layer, choose Gaussian blur under adjustment and increase the blur to 25%. Once done, make it a clipping mask and we need to repeat the process. Go to layer group 2, white layer, and increase the Gaussian blur to 25% and then make it a clipping mask. And go to group 3, choose Gaussian blur and bump it up to 25% and then make it a clipping mask to the lettering suite. Then go to group 4. We just need to do it 2 more times. And then go to final group and do the same thing. Gaussian blur 25% and then make it a clipping mask. Now once this is done, if you hit on the play button, you would see something like this, and this is going very fast for me, so I'll just decrease the frames per second to maybe 6 or 5. And this is our animation, and I really like it, and the setting is the same. I'm not changed it to ping pong or anything because I want it to be read in this way. And but yes, you can feel free to experiment with frames per second or your colors. And once this is done, we can share it. Go to animated GIF and then export it. And you can just rename it to whatever you would like. I'll be renaming it as Home Sweet Home, and then I'll just share it. So it's saved now, and yes, this is our final lettering. Hope you like it, and in case you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you for watching.